How to replace an ADS RainAlert III battery pack. The steps for replacing the RainAlert III battery pack include opening the monitor and removing the used battery, installing the replacement battery into the monitor, connecting the new battery, closing the monitor. The only replacement battery approved for use in the RainAlert III monitor is the ADS 9V IS battery pack, part number 9000-0004. The only service or maintenance activities ADS permits within the monitor enclosure are replacement of the battery pack and SIM card. Any other modifications to the RainAlert III by individuals other than certified ADS technicians will void all warranties. Release the two metal clasps and open the monitor lid. Inspect the monitor gasket and wipe away any moisture or debris that might be present. Disconnect the battery cable and remove the battery from the monitor using the strap attached to the top of the battery pack. Unbox the replacement battery. Place the new battery into the RainAlert III enclosure and connect the battery power cable. Double-check that the cable is not pinched in the lid and close the two metal clasps. Verify the new battery voltage by communicating with the RainAlert III via serial or wireless connection using QStart XML. New battery voltage should be above 8 volts. ADS is committed to protecting the environment by recycling commonly used items such as batteries. Please contact your local government for the proper battery disposal and recycling practices in your area. Please refer to the ADS RainAlert III Operations and Maintenance Manual for detailed instructions on how to replace an ADS RainAlert III battery pack.